In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add payment method to Spotify. We'll walk through the process step by step so you can update your billing details quickly and securely using Spotify's website. Start by opening your preferred web browser and navigating to Spotify.com. This is important because adding or updating a payment method is handled through the website, not the desktop or mobile app. Once the page loads, sign in to your Spotify account with your usual credentials. Make sure you're logging into the correct account, especially if you manage more than one profile. After you're signed in, look for your profile icon in the top right corner of the page and select Account. This opens your account overview in a new tab. From here, scroll until you find the section labeled Payments and Billing. Within that section, locate Saved Payment Cards. This is where Spotify lists any cards you've added before and where you'll add a new one now. Click the Add Card button, or a similarly labeled option that appears in your region. A secure form will open. Enter your card number carefully, exactly as it appears on your card. Then add the expiration date, usually in the MMYY format, and the security code, sometimes called the CVV or CVC. Be sure the name on the card matches what your bank has on file. Next, complete the billing address fields. Use the address associated with your card. This is crucial, because a mismatch between your card's address and what you enter can cause the save to fail. Include the correct postal code and country, and double-check spelling and numbers. Before you proceed, verify that you're on a secure connection. Look for the padlock icon in your browser's address bar and avoid entering payment details on public Wi-Fi whenever possible. When everything looks correct, click Save to store the new card. If you see an error, try a few quick checks. Remove spaces from the card number, confirm the card hasn't expired, and ensure the country on your Spotify account matches your billing country. Some banks may prompt a verification step, like 3D Secure. Approve it if asked. If a pop-up blocker interrupts that step, temporarily allow the pop-up and try again. Once saved, your new card should appear under Saved Payment Cards in the Payments and Billing section. That's your confirmation that the update was successful. If you ever need to change or remove it, you can return to the same place and manage your details at any time. And that's it. You've added a payment method to Spotify quickly and securely.